Dragonflies are iconic insects with a very interesting evolutionary history. They have been on the planet for nearly 300 million years, but within that time span, they have not experienced a lot of evolutionary change. So today we have about 6,400 described species, and about 16% of these species are listed as threatened. So some of the major threats to dragonflies currently is habitat loss, habitat transformation, the regulation of flow, especially in rivers, and the spread of alien invasive species. The conservation of dragonflies require a little bit of out-of-the-box thinking because they have a larval stage that is aquatic and a terrestrial stage that is terrestrial. So at the same time, they can also be used to ascertain the quality of habitats, meaning that we can use them as tools and model organisms to also understand a little bit better about the conservation requirements of the species they share their habitats with. Therefore, this article, bringing together dragonfly researchers from across the world, calls for the greater inclusion of dragonflies in conservation actions. And the authors do this by way of highlighting the current threats to dragonflies, but also having a look at the conservation actions that have worked to enhance their conservation globally. We recommend 5 key action points to further enhance the ongoing dragonfly conservation globally. The first point is to expand and enhance dragonfly assessment and monitoring globally. The second point is to include dragonflies more widely in ecotoxicological assessments as more information becomes available. The third point is to learn from dragonflies and their responses regarding restoration efforts. The fourth point is to include dragonflies more widely in conservation initiatives focused at other plants and animals at a global scale. And the fifth point is to promote dragonflies in environmental education, purely because dragonflies are such iconic and charismatic insects, and they have the potential to attract a lot of attention from the general public.